Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how to add funds on Uber Eats wallet. If you are on your Uber Eats and if you would like to add some funds to your Uber Eats account, then you have to go to account on the down below corner, extreme right side down corner account will be the option. Just go there and you'll find several options here, out of which you'll find wallet is the one of the option. Just click into get into that wallet option, then you'll get Uber Cash to be auto refill is off here. So if you switch on that auto refill on, whenever it gets deficit, automatically it will be refilled from your original account, whichever you give, like let it be credit card or some other option. From there it will be refilled automatically, or otherwise if you make it off, you can add funds here by just clicking add funds. Then it will ask you which type of thing you want, one time purchase or auto refill or gift card. So if you would like to add only one time, go to one time purchase, and after going to one time purchase, it will ask you how much would like to add for this payment. Can't add funds without a payment method. Yes, you have to add your payment method first. For that reason, go to payment method, just select this one, and payment options will be there. Add payment method, then it will give you an option to add your Venmo account or credit or debit card or PayPal and Google Pay. For this reason, all these options are allowed. Just add your payment method, and after adding payment method, you can go and just load your amount of $25, $50, or $100, or in fact any how much you want, that much you can add here to your funds, and then confirm and get your OTP on your mobile and just load it. That's so simple. Then your wallet will be refilled so easily. So I told you, if you are on your home page, go to account, and from there you go to wallet. From there go to add funds, and before to that one you have to select this one and add your payment method first. After adding your payment method, you can add whatever the dollars you want to add and go to confirm. That's all. Your job will be done. Your money will be added to your wallet of Uber Eats so easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.